Today, we're here to bust some diet food myths and show you how healthy eating can be not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty. And our secret weapon? A whopping 365 spices. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Myth number 1, diet food is bland and boring. We'll show you how to infuse your meals with flavor, turning every bite into a delicious adventure with 365 salad seasonings. Myth number 2. Eating healthy is costly. We'll prove that eating nutritious meals doesn't have to break the bank. Learn how to shop smart and create budget-friendly, diet-friendly feasts. Myth number 3. Diet food is monotonous and repetitive. We'll explore a diverse range of ingredients that will tantalize your taste buds.